I tried to warn these moon boys, ladies and gentlemen. I truly tried. It's an all-out collapse here for the Bitcoin price. And right now, we could be staring into the eyes of what could be one of the most monumental bull traps in Bitcoin history. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. First and foremost, I'd like to pour one out for little Jimmy and Average Joe, who said the Bitcoin price had so much room to go. Let's get this crypto. It's not every day that you see moves like this inside the cryptocurrency space, folks. I mean, this is a big one here, and all jokes aside, we really need to get to the analysis. You guys know I just like to keep it fun and lighthearted here on this channel. I mean, what we've seen here today is nothing short of a debacle. We saw this range of potential support give way. It actually led to a heinous waterfall. So right here on stream, I'm actually going to flip this from green back to red. Because why? We did not see the old resistance / support turn into new support. In fact, we saw it as resistance, it ripped above, and we fell right back down through. So until proven otherwise, this range for me here, between 46,000 and 47,000, is potentially now going to act as resistance once again if / when we test back up to it. And from an indicator's perspective, we're going to start here with the Keltner channels indicator on the 1-day time frame. And folks, if you're a long-time subscriber to this channel, which by the way, don't forget to give that thumbs up a tap for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all if you're new. But if you are a long-time subscriber, then you would know that the 1-day Keltner channels indicator has been one of my favorite indicators to look at throughout this entire Bitcoin market cycle. And the reason for that, as you can clearly see, is that on the uptrend, we never saw the Bitcoin price close full candle bodies below the bottom Keltner channel line until the end of that initial run. All right. And once we saw that occur, folks, the party was over. The music stopped. All the moon boys could not find the chair to sit in. And boom, we saw a drop deep down into the crypto abyss. And the Don had to get those golf claps, ladies and gentlemen. Golf claps for the Don. Thank you. Thank you. You all should know that I called that to a T. I told you it was an absolute warning shot fired. And well, here we are again, folks, here in the current day. You just can't make this stuff up. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. You can clearly see that now. If we close today's candle body below this line, this would now in fact be the first candle body to close below the 1-day Keltner channel line on this uptrend from 30,000 all the way up to above 50,000. Let's get this crypto. I mean, this is big stuff here, folks. If we close this daily candle body below, it would look identical, nearly identical to what we saw on this uptrend here, which then led to the massive decline. Will history look similar? Only time will tell. I'm just putting it on your radar. Let's get this crypto. And another big one here, folks, is the Williams alligator reading on the 1-day time frame. You can see that back here before our heinous, perilous decline, we saw a nasty, bearish twist. The green line going below both the red and the blue, with the price action trading below the line. That took us down into the depths of the crypto abyss. And we can see right here now, we have yet again another bearish twist. Let's get this crypto. If we close today's candle body where it is right now, that's a big if. We have to watch out, folks. This would potentially give us that very early stage bearish cross on the Williams alligator. I'm just putting this on your radar because we have in the past seen this end massive runs. You can see we had it right there at our top back after 65,000. You can see that we had it again back in 2020 before our massive plunge from basically 10,000 all the way down to 4,000. You can see that we had it again back here in 2018 upon our massive bubble pop. It happened right up there towards the top, folks. And of course, back here in 2014, we saw the twist right before we dropped into the sick bear market, which ultimately took us to the bottom of that cycle. So take this information for what you will. I'm just putting it on your radar, folks, because to me thus far, all of this is equating to an absolute warning shot fired. And if you are appreciating my analysis here thus far, folks, all I ask you to do is tap that thumbs up button. Just give it a tap. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period, the end. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all right now, as you cannot afford to miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Now, if you thought the dawn was done, well, the dawn has only just begun, because, folks, now we have to look at the DMI, the Directional Movement Index. And what I can tell you right here, folks, is that this bearish pressure, the orange line here, is starting to make a drastic move to the upside. You can see the bullish pressure here, the blue line, is starting to make a drastic move to the downside. But here's the big kahuna, folks, the elephant in the room. If we take off the plus DI and the minus DI, that is the bearish and bullish aspect to this indicator, and all we do here is look at the strength of the move. This is the ADX. We're looking for how strong the move is. What I'm noticing here, of course, this may wind up not turning out to be anything, but we have seen a pivot point here at the bottom. You see now how this looks like a V shape here at the bottom, right? We are starting to see momentum potentially pick back up here. And as I just showed you, if we put back the minus DI and the positive DI, what you can see is that obviously the momentum of this trend is moving to the upside, and that is bearish pressure, the orange line moving up. So if now we are seeing a pivot here on the ADX, folks, this to me is another warning shot fired. It just is what it is, because if we start to see this tick to the upside here, and we start to gain momentum, I mean, you can see here's an example of a pivot point right there, right? Bad things happened. And if we were to go back in time, I'm sure I could find a ton of examples where when we start to see the ADX pivot at the bottom and start to really drive in the other direction, that this has led to some serious moves, both to the upside and to the downside. In this very specific case here, with the bearish momentum now crossing above the blue bullish momentum and possibly seeing the pivot point there on the ADX. This is something I'm paying very close attention to, and I think it would be diligent for you to do the same. Let's get this crypto. I just know that many crypto analysts aren't going to show you guys these things. I mean, I have indicators on deck. I have analysis on deck, folks, that's just showing how this area looks so similar to so many of the bull traps that we've seen throughout Bitcoin history. Yet nobody else wants to show you this. We're going to 100,000. We're going to 1 million, 4 million. Kirby, don't you understand there's a supply shock? The thing I've been getting over the past day, folks, from these Neanderthal degenerates is, well, this guy, he doesn't ever talk about the on-chain data. Really, the on-chain data, little Jimmy, and your $600 stimmy. Get out of here, my friend. I look at the on-chain data as well. But what you're trying to tell me is that everything that I'm looking at in the price chart, which dictates the price action, Stunad, you understand? Fundamentals, get out of here. On-chain data, get out of here. What are we paying attention to? The price chart, because anything anybody cares about and all everybody cares about is the price chart. This is the meat and potatoes of what's going on in the Bitcoin price, not your fundamentals, not Michael Saylor. None of it, folks. These degenerates, they're going to learn the hard way. They're going to have to take that slap in the face, the punch in the mouth, before they understand that the price chart, in my opinion, dictates all. And if you appreciate the realism here, folks, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for the algorithm. Do it right now. Thank you. Subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. Let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. Now listen, I could go on for a very long time here. As I said, I have indicators and analysis on deck. I did a whole video yesterday pointing out some very different things. I mean, we could just run through this, folks, in a very fast manner. I mean, we could pull up a Fibonacci here that you could see we topped out right between the 0.618 and the 0.786, which is something that we've done time and time again throughout Bitcoin history. I've shown you this in so many videos, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut this short right now, because tomorrow or the next day, whenever my next video comes out, I'm going to hit you with some more data here. That's why I'm telling you that you need to subscribe now, because I'm going to come out with the next video that you don't want to miss. And this isn't just a plug or a shill out, subscribe. It's not. I'm telling you that these videos would be far too long if I were to put everything into one video. So make sure that you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all right now so you get the notifications. I'm going to cut this off here, okay? We're dealing with a serious potential shift in the market environment right now. The equities markets as well, they're on fire. Commodities markets as well, they're on fire. We're entering a critical and potentially pivotal point in the market in general, across all asset classes. So right now, this is a very important time to be smart. Do not trade with emotion. Trade with logic. Trade with proper risk management. Manage your risk, degenerates. Please manage your risk, degenerates. Because if you do not respect risk management, you will get crushed, folks. Crushed like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. Let's get this crypto. So right now you're probably wondering, well, Don, what are you doing here? What are you looking to do to potentially crush this next move? Well, folks, right now, I'm just remaining cool, calm, and collected, preparing to potentially crush the next market move. There's nothing else for me to do here besides strategize, plot, and plan to look for high reward, low risk trade setups. Right now, there's a ton of risk in the market. What I'm looking to do here is personally mitigate and minimize my risk to the best of my ability, while also putting myself in a position to potentially crush it and profit the most that I can. Let's get this crypto. So if you do want to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas for what's going on in this market right now, I will be keeping you up to date with this in VIP. If you're not already in my VIP, that's where I post all of my real-time trade setup ideas, my entry ideas, my potential take profit ideas, everything like that. Seriously, in real time, as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you are not already in my VIP, come on. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's go. So folks, please do not get wrecked here. Do not get caught like a deer in the headlights with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. You're better than that, and you deserve better than that. All right. So with that being said, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, I'll see you there right now after this video. And one last time, if you did enjoy here today, folks, all I ask for is that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to see my next video where I'll be sharing way more data, different data, then you need to subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all right now so you get the notification when I upload. I'll see you in the next video. And more importantly, I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.